Hello my friends, this is Veronica, the mama who crochets, bakes and creates from the heart, and today we're going to be making this beautiful She Bear Coaster. It's very easy to make and I'm going to be using two different color yarns. This is for the bear, this is for the bow, and this yarn suggests to use a 5mm hook. So that's what I'm going to be using today. So let's start. We're going to start making round 1 here. So I have the yarn. I'm going to make a ring or a magic ring. This is the way I do it. Just wrap it in your fingers. Then you insert your hook. Bring the yarn to the front and make a chain. If you notice, the way I'm holding my hook is like a pencil. You can do it this way, or some people like to do it this way as well. So it's your own unique way and style, the way you feel more comfortable. In my left hand, I'm using these 2 fingers to hold my project. My yarn is going through these fingers, so it I adjust the yarn according to I go crocheting. It should not be too loose or it should not be like too tight. That is not gonna allow me to crochet. So this is it, and this finger is the one that provides the yarn. It brings the tension there, tension enough where it's easy for me to crochet. As I told you, not too loose, not too tight. So said that, I'm gonna make 1 more chain. This does not count as a double crochet. Yarn over. Now I'm gonna start my double crochet. So yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, bring the yarn to the front, adjust a little bit, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and I have my first double crochet. I need to make 12 inside the ring. I'm gonna make 12. So that's 1. Again, I'm holding the project with these fingers, yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, bring the yarn to the front, adjust, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So I have 2 double crochets. I need to make 12. So let's make 12. Also, you can count here. If you want to count this way, you can do it 1, 2, 3, 4. Or if you want to count from here, you can see a V shape. 1, 2, 3, 4. I made here the 12 double crochets. We're gonna count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So now I'm gonna pull the yarn here and the ring is gonna close. Makes a perfect circle now. Now I'm gonna go to this V shape. So that's my first stitch. I'm gonna go through it with a crochet hook. I'm gonna get the yarn and go through the loop. So I just made a slip stitch. For the row number 2 here, I'm gonna make 24 double crochets. I'm gonna double. I had 12, now I'm gonna increase my circle into 24. So to do that, I'm gonna make 2 double crochets in each stitch. So I'm gonna do 1, 2 chains, yarn over, and you can see here the first V, that's my first stitch. I go there, bring the yarn to the front, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. I have my first double crochet, yarn over, and in the same space I do another double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. I'm gonna do the same in the next stitch. I go through, bring the yarn to the front, adjust a little bit, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, bring the yarn to the front, adjust, and pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And now I have 4. I'm gonna continue this way until I have a 24 double crochets total. I just finished my second round and I have 24 double crochets. Now again I'm gonna look for the V shape. That's my first stitch. So I go through the stitch, bring the yarn to the front and go through the loop. Row number 2 completed. Let's keep increasing and we're gonna do row number 3. Again, 2 chains, yarn over, and now I'm gonna start again in this first stitch. I'm gonna make 2 double crochets, 1, 2 double crochets together, and the next is gonna be just 1. That's my pattern from now on. Again, in the next one, in the next stitch, I make 2 double crochets together, and in the next one I just make 1. So at the end of this row I'm gonna have 36 double crochets. All I need to do is make 2 double crochets together, and the next is gonna be just 1. We're gonna keep working like this until we complete this round. So here I'm just completing my third round. Again, I'm gonna look for the V shape. That's my first stitch, and I'm gonna do a slip stitch. The 3 round is completed, and I'm gonna work my last round, number 4, and the pattern is gonna be very, very similar. We do our usual 2 chains in the same stitch. Here I do 2 double crochets together, 1, 2, and now I'm gonna do 1 double crochet in the next stitch and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. So this is my pattern: 2 double crochets together, then 1, 1. Again, I'm gonna make 2, 1, 2 together, and then 1 and 1. At the end of this row, I'm gonna have 48 double crochets. Very easy. Just make 2 double crochets together, and then 1 and then 1. Let's continue working on this until we finish this round. All right, right now I'm just gonna finish here with my slip stitch. I have the 48 double crochets. All right, now the fun part, the ears. It's super easy to make. I'm not gonna cut my yarn, I'm gonna still work in there. So what I'm gonna do is chain 1, in the same stitch I'm gonna make 1 single crochet. In the next stitch I'm gonna make 1 double crochet, in the next stitch I'm gonna make 3 triple crochets. So for the double you just yarn over 1, for the triple you yarn over twice. So I'm gonna go here, yarn to the front, adjust, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And I'm gonna do the same 2 more times. So yarn over 1, yarn over twice, go to the same stitch, yarn to the front, adjust, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And I'm gonna do the same 1 more time. So I have 3 triple crochets. Look how the ear is already forming. So now I'm gonna make in the next stitch 1 double crochet. In the next stitch I'm gonna make 1 single crochet, and that's how we make the ear. Now I'm gonna do a slip stitch 8 times. So I go through the stitch, bring the yarn to the front and go through the loop. Again, go through the stitch, bring the yarn to the front and pull through the loop. I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. So we do 8 and time to do 1 more ear. So in the same stitch I'm gonna make 1 single crochet. In the next stitch I make 1 double crochet. In the next stitch I make 3 triple crochets. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over twice. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over twice. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over. In the next stitch I make 1 double crochet. In the next stitch I make 1 single crochet, and my bear is done. I'm gonna cut the yarn. I'm gonna pull this yarn and I have a yarn needle, so I'm gonna make this yarn disappear in the back. If you don't have a yarn needle, it's okay, you can just use your crochet and hide it in the back because nobody's gonna look here. Alrighty. Okay, now it's time to make the bow. For the bow, I'm gonna use this color, pink color. I'm gonna make a ring, insert the hook, bring yarn to the front, and I'm gonna make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. And I'm gonna work here triple crochets, and I'm gonna make 7. So yarn over twice, insert the hook, yarn to the front, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna make 6, and now we're gonna make 1, 2, 3 chains and go back to the ring and slip stitch. So we made one side. Let's make the other side. I'm gonna keep working. I'm gonna make my ring a little smaller. I'm gonna keep working inside the ring. So now I'm gonna slip stitch in there, and I'm gonna make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over twice, and I'm gonna make again here 6 triple crochets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm gonna make 1, 2, 3 chains, go back to the magic ring, slip stitch. That's how our bow looks like. I'm gonna cut this yarn, and now I'm gonna pull this yarn to close the bow. With this big tail of the yarn, I'm gonna go like this, 3 times. Yeah, that's our bow. There we go. So now what I'm gonna do is I want to have it there. So with my crochet hook, I'm just gonna bring the tails of the yarn to the back in different parts, like 1, 2, not in the same hole but different ones. So I can now, yes, can just make a knot. I'm gonna cut these tails of the yarn, and that's how we have our project done. I hope you like this video. Please share, please comment, please tell me how you like it, so I can create more and more videos for you. Big hugs, and I'll see you next time.